masks compulsorily on or off the bus. Individual space must be followed. Thermal scanner allows a thermal scan to be carried out, and those in stable condition are allowed in. Wash your hands in the wash basin for about 20 seconds. Before starting work on the machine, spray the sanitizing liquid on a small cloth and wipe it with the handle of the machine door, where the hands are mostly used. Do not use handrails when climbing or descending stairs. Keep a small plastic cover on the forklift. While operating the forklift, when common cough or sneeze happens, then use only tissue paper and put it on the cover. Do not use one's table, chair, and other items. All flush outs and wash basins in our company are cleaned once in a while by the cleaning staff. Your plate, bowl, and glass with liquid soap for about 20 seconds before eating. Then, soak them in hot water. The face mask must be worn when leaving the house, and have a small hand sanitizer bottle with them. Travel on a two-wheeler individually. Do not ignore. The safety of our employees is very important to our company.